Hey everyone, we're here to unbox the new HMD Touch 4G, which is the first hybrid phone. And to do that, we have with us Gautam Dhingra, the head of product at HMD with us.
Thank you. So the overall proposition that we have for this device is better starts here. And no other way to start a day better with a cup of coffee. So why don't we make this session a hybrid session and have a, brewing session of coffee and the unboxing together.
Sounds like a great plan, a hybrid unboxing session for a hybrid phone as well as making great coffee. So, while we make this coffee, एक question मेरे दिमाग में आया. हम लोग ये first hybrid phone बोल रहे हैं. लेकिन ये hybrid होता क्या है?
I think I have the best man to explain that to you. Let me invite him, and he can explain what hybrid is all about.
All right, let's bring him in.
Yes. So guys, let's welcome Ravi Kumar. He is the CEO and VP for India and APAC. So Ravi, team wants to understand what hybrid is all about. What is it that we have done differently? So over to you.
Thanks, Gautam, for having me here. Clearly, hybrid is no longer a buzzword. It's a real practical solutions,
Yes.
and thanks to the car industry who've taught a lot of industries around that, because the consumers really see value, not only in terms of pocket friendliness, but also it's sustainable for the environment. Now, taking a leap from there in our industry, and especially at HMD, there were 2 or 3 principles which we used for coming up with India's first hybrid phone. The first was less is more, okay? And here is the beautiful product up in my hand, and you can see it's a small sized pocket dynamo, but it's having the best of the features which you can expect in a smartphone, okay? The second one was the genius of and. So it's the best of both worlds. So you have what you need from a feature phone, but also what you want from a smartphone, but at a price of a feature phone. So that kind of possibility has been made only because of the fact that we stuck to those 2 principles, and here we are with India's first hybrid phone.
Great. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you so much. So on one extreme, you have a feature phone. So that's the feature phone for you. The other extreme, you have a smartphone. So this is a smartphone. And then you have a concept of a hybrid which sits in between. That's the hybrid phone that we are talking about, and we will do the unboxing for this device today.
The HMD Touch 4G sounds like it's the perfect blend between sleek and modern. So, sounds like it has a better balance than my life.
Yeah, absolutely. Why not?
Let's get to the unboxing. All right, time to bring out the hero, the HMD Touch 4G.
Yes, the HMD Touch 4G, the first hybrid phone, from India. So this is the device, so let me just take off the screen guard that we have, or the KSP sticker that we have. So this is the beauty, guys.
Right, it looks pretty compact and smooth. What's the body made of?
It's a very, very durable polycarbonate material that we are talking about here, and you will get a metallic finish on top of it. So that's the device. So guess what? This comes in 2 colors. What I have in my hand is cyan, and then you have a dark blue. So these are the 2 colors that you get in this particular device.
Wow, I don't really know which one to choose, which I like better. Wow, so these colors are definitely pretty premium. And also I have a couple of friends that I would like to stay in touch with. So how do I stay connected with people on these phones?
This device comes preloaded with Express Chat. That's where you can have your chatting experience, you have your video call experience, so that's what is unique in this particular device. To top it up, Express Chat is compatible with Android and iOS. It is available, on the respective stores, so you can, your friends can still be on Android and iOS devices. They can download the Express Chat and continue chatting with you on this particular device.
All right, so it's not necessary for them to have this phone as well for me to be connected to them. That's great. So, I like switching between apps like I switch my moods. So, what kind of app variety are we talking about here?
So this, the second unique thing about this device is the concept of a cloud apps. So basically what we've done is we've taken the entire processing power to the cloud, and that's where all the applications are hosted. So just to give you a glimpse, so you have a cloud phone here. I will just switch it on. The device, by the way, is connected to Wi-Fi. So you see a lot of icons here. So just to read out, you have Amazon, Google Gemini, Facebook, YouTube, Google Maps, a plethora of news applications. You have cricket scores, you have weather, you have a lot of games. So you get a lot of curated content here, curated applications, and these are all running on the cloud, right? Including, most of the applications that we will bring out in the future will get hosted here.
So any new apps that you bring out to the phone will come in within the Cloud Apps application.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That's super interesting. So basically, no matter what device my friends or colleagues have, I can still chat with them and video call them using Express Chat.
Absolutely.
So guys, gossip, check. Meetings, double check.
On gossip, so how many girlfriends do you have?
And I only have one.
And how many languages do you know?
I personally know 2 languages. However, she's Punjabi. So, yes.
Okay, so this particular device will help you because you can chat in 13 languages. Yes, 13 languages is where you can chat.
For everyone else in India who knows other languages, I think basically this phone is perfect for them
Absolutely.
as well. But since these are all on the cloud, what is the connectivity like of the phone?
So in terms of connectivity, you can be rest assured that you will be able to do a global roaming. This device supports 11 4G bands. So you can have a peace of mind while doing your global roaming. In addition to that, if you are, let's say, traveling abroad, what do you need the most frequently? It's a Wi-Fi. So this device will have Wi-Fi and also Wi-Fi hotspot. So you can share your connection with your friends as well in need. So that's the connectivity all about.
I think hotspot is very important for me because, like I always say, coffee, food, and hotspot. Sharing is caring.
Absolutely, bang on.
So, we've spoken about a lot of things, including cloud apps. But what about like the basic features like Bluetooth, etc.?
Yeah, I consider that as a given. So Bluetooth, MP3 player, FM, and on top of that, auto call recording. These are basic hygienes that you'll get in this device. So be rest assured of that.
Yeah, I think auto call recording is interesting because I speak to my girlfriend for a couple of hours, but sari baatein yaad nahi rehti. So this should definitely help. So, what if I drop this phone and, there's a crack by mistake? Is there anything that we can do about it?
So this particular device also will be covered under a 1-year replacement guarantee. So we have a full spectrum. So we have feature phone, we have smartphone, and we have a hybrid, all covered under 1-year replacement guarantee. But you have to be very careful. So we cover the factory failures. So if there is a fault in the hardware, that is what will be covered. If you drop it, break it, unfortunately, we'll have to say a no to you.
Okay, I'll take what I can get. It's anyway enough. So this has been brewing for a couple of minutes now. So guys, everything we've discussed here, the HMD Touch 4G is just for 3,999. It is available in leading retail stores, Amazon as well as hmd.com. And through this video and what Gautam has explained, I am sure you've realized that the HMD Touch 4G is a step towards a better future.
Better starts here.